Hello, happy Tuesday. Good morning, E4. I just wanted to give you a couple of reminders. I did upload and update grades as of, I finished right at 5 yesterday. So you might want to go into Skyward and check those today. If you see any issues with anything, shoot me a shoot me an email, whatever you need to do, and let me know, and I'll take care of that. Also, I am going to be hosting a Zoom, and Miss P will be joining me, so you get to see her at 11:30 today. 5 minutes prior to the meeting, I will send a remind with the ID and the password. Okay, so I hope to see as many of you there as possible. They're always going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays at 11:30 for E4. So if you can't make this one, I hope to see you on Thursday. I hope you're all doing very well, and I hope to see a few of you in just a little bit. Okay, bye guys.